In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Cloud in Microsoft Teams in just 5 minutes. Whether you're coordinating projects or juggling tasks among your team, integrating Jira with Microsoft Teams can make life a lot simpler, offering seamless transitions between task tracking and team collaboration. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make your way over to the Atlassian website, which is the hub for various collaboration software tools geared toward software, IT, and business teams. If you're not already familiar with it, Atlassian is the parent company of Jira. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button. It should be fairly noticeable on the homepage. Click on it to log into your account with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Just follow the on-screen instructions for setting that up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to what is known as the Jira Home. This is your central dashboard for all things Jira. Here you're likely to find various tabs and options, but what you want to focus on next is the Apps section. This is your gateway to broadening Jira's capabilities with additional tools. Click on Apps, and a list will drop down. From this list, you'll notice an option to Explore More Apps. Go ahead and select that. This option helps you discover additional applications that you can integrate with Jira, significantly enhancing its functionality based on what suits your team's needs. Now here's the exciting part. You'll want to search specifically for Microsoft Teams. Simply go to the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams, and hit enter. What you're doing here is finding the Microsoft Teams integration that allows Jira tasks and notifications to sync directly with your team's channels. Once you locate it, follow the instructions to install and configure the integration. Integration like this means you can manage your Jira issues, get notifications, and even set up new tasks, all within Microsoft Teams. Whether it's updates, comments, or new issues, you can handle everything directly from your team's interface. It's an efficient way to streamline communications and keep your workflow smooth without the need to keep switching tabs or tools. So, by following these steps, you're set up to elevate your project management game, marrying the powerful capabilities of Jira with the collaborative environment of Microsoft Teams. It's a match that not only boosts productivity, but also fosters better team collaboration. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're ready to get started on making your integration work for you. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.